Here comes our windstorm and the rain. Howdy from down on the farm. We're back again. About a month ago, we were planting in the greenhouse. While I shot video of us doing that, I never got it up online. So we're going to do double duty. We're going to give you an update on what we planted then, and we're going to show you what it looks like now. We're expecting a big windstorm this afternoon, possibly, and lots of rain at least. So I'm going to head out and plant while the weather is still half decent. It is a little windy out here, but we'll just watch it. If it gets too bad, we'll head back inside. Oh, the little helper who can't be left out when the greenhouse is going to be opened, huh? Seeds are growing. The oregano's happy back there. Now, oregano. Tea plant. Now, tea plants. Spinach. Nope, they're good. Now, spinach. This is some kind of a green, and now I don't remember what I put there. And my marker's toast. I could not remember what I planted there, but now it's come up, so I know what it is. It's not doing very good. Now arugula. Baby kale. Yay, kale. Now kale being attacked by slugs. More radishes. Now radishes. Celery. Now celery. Something else that needs to be cut and harvested now. We're going to slice and dice and put these in the freezer so that we can preserve them and use them for a while. That is why we don't have any peas. The potato bug eating it. If you have ideas on how to get rid of pill bugs, potato bugs, whatever you want to call them, let us know in the comment section, because these things have been plaguing the greenhouse. Even after we had the chickens in there, they just keep coming back. Now peas. They are super bushy. I totally need to get those strung up and over the greenhouse so that they can go up. They've been super slow this year. And this is the second time I had to plant them because we had pill bugs eating our seeds. Again, time to clean this thing up. It's a mess. So the hazelnut mulch that we put in the aisles in here is doing okay, but I think we didn't get it thick enough, especially underneath the seed table. So we're gonna have to put some more of that. I've got weeds to pull. She's getting rid of slugs. Welcome to Oregon, huh? Slugs. Just a little cleanup under there today, because our real plan is to get some seeds in the ground. Yesterday was super warm. We hit 68 or 70 and everything that was planted sprouted and is doing really good. So we're hoping to catch that next heat wave by getting these seeds in the ground now. That makes it stick together. This new haircut does not accommodate gardening. Waiting for patiently. Here comes our windstorm and the rain. One of the things I love about this greenhouse is that in Oregon it rains like 8 months out of the year, which really makes a muddy mess for gardening. But when we're inside covered in the rain, I can still be outside gardening rather than trapped in my house hiding from the rain all the time. So I'm finishing up soil blocking tray 3, maybe tray 4, and then we'll be done for the day. We're done in here. We got 6 different trays planted. I feel really good about that. That's exciting. Back here, this is more cabbage and bee balm. The bachelor buttons are going crazy. We have nettles, violets, sunflowers, more sunflowers, pea blossoms, broccoli. So that's our little greenhouse update. So now that we're caught up with what we planted and how it's doing now, that concludes our greenhouse update. Thanks for joining us on the farm. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we show up on your YouTube feed. And if you want notifications every time we have a new video up, hit the little bell symbol and you'll get a notification as soon as we put up a new video. Thanks for joining us on the farm, and we will see you next time. St. Fiacre's Farm.
Fiacre.
Fiacre?
Fiacre. Fiacre.
Thanks for joining us on the farm.